Implementation of AI-driven API models in 2025, 5 key phases and $3 million budget allocation for seamless integration across platforms. Overview. The integration of AI-driven API models presents a transformative opportunity for businesses across various sectors. As organizations strive to enhance customer-centricity, operational efficiency, and technological advancement, a structured implementation framework becomes essential. This report outlines a detailed exploration of the implementation strategy for AI-driven API models by 2025, emphasizing 5 critical phases and a budget allocation of $3 million. Key phases of implementation. 1. Foundation phase, months 1 to 3. Objectives. Establish strategic goals and objectives. Assess existing technology infrastructure. Align teams and stakeholders to ensure cohesive collaboration. Activities. Conduct workshops to identify key business needs and expectations regarding AI integration. Review current technology stacks to identify gaps and opportunities for improvement. Develop a roadmap that outlines the overall strategy, including timelines and responsibilities. Deliverables. A comprehensive project plan detailing objectives, timelines, and resources required. 2. Implementation phase, months 4 to 9. Objectives. Deploy AI technologies and redesign existing processes. Initiate pilot programs to test functionalities and gather real-time insights. Activities. Implement AI-driven API models in selected departments or processes. Develop training materials and conduct training sessions for staff on new technologies and processes. Monitor pilot programs closely to identify areas for improvement. Deliverables. Functional AI-driven API models in pilot departments along with documented lessons learned. 3. Optimization phase, months 10 to 18. Objectives. Monitor performance and refine strategies based on pilot results. Ensure continuous improvement to adapt to evolving market demands. Activities. Collect feedback from users and stakeholders regarding the performance of AI models. Analyze data to determine the effectiveness of AI integration and identify optimization opportunities. Implement necessary adjustments to models and processes based on insights gathered. Deliverables. A report summarizing performance metrics, feedback, and recommended adjustments. For scaling phase, months 19 to 30. Objectives. Expand successful AI initiatives across all platforms. Foster an AI-driven culture within the organization. Activities. Roll out the optimized AI-driven API models to additional departments or business units. Conduct organization-wide training sessions to promote understanding and adoption of AI technologies. Establish best practices and governance frameworks for ongoing AI management. Deliverables. Comprehensive deployment of AI-driven API models organization-wide, alongside a training manual for staff. 5. Maturity phase, months 31 to 36. Objectives. Focus on sustained innovation and regular updates to AI technologies. Maintain a competitive advantage by addressing emerging challenges effectively. Activities. Create a dedicated team responsible for monitoring AI trends and advancements. Allocate resources for continuous training and development of staff on the latest AI technologies. Establish partnerships with AI research organizations and technology providers to remain at the forefront of innovation. Deliverables. A strategic innovation roadmap outlining future AI initiatives and partnerships. Budget allocation. The proposed budget of $3 million will be allocated across the 5 phases as follows. 1. Planning 15 to 20%, $450,000 to $600,000. For initial assessments, strategy development and team alignment. 2. Implementation 50 to 60%, $1.5 million to $1.8 million. For technology deployment pilot programs and staff training. 3. Optimization 20 to 35%, $600,000 to $1.05 million. For process refinement scaling successful initiatives. And performance monitoring. Integration insights. The integration of AI-driven API models is not merely a technological shift, it marks a significant cultural transformation where customer centricity becomes paramount. Companies that excel in adopting AI technologies are projected to enhance profitability by 60% compared to competitors. This shift is supported by statistics indicating that 73% of customers value personalized experiences, emphasizing the need for hyper-personalization through AI. Use cases in data. Retail sector, AI empowers personalized shopping experiences as seen with Nordstrom, which reported an 18% increase in sales per square foot through real-time inventory tracking and personalized recommendations. Healthcare, hospitals employing AI for patient monitoring have achieved a 22% reduction in emergency situations, demonstrating AI's potential for real-time data analysis to improve patient outcomes. Key differences between sources. Source 1 emphasizes the foundational aspects of customer-centric strategies. Source 2 highlights the technical components of edge-based business intelligence (BI) and the role of AI in boosting operational efficiencies. Source 3 discusses emerging technologies and their market implications, showcasing a competitive landscape among AI firms. Timeline of events. 1. 2022. Initial discussions regarding AI integration in business processes commence. 2. 2023. Major advancements in AI models are released, prompting tech giants to invest heavily in AI technologies. 3. 2024. Anticipated developments include the launch of AI models capable of multimodal processing and frameworks for ethical AI deployment. For 2025, full implementation of AI-driven API models across various industries, focusing on customer engagement and operational efficiencies. Conclusion. The roadmap for implementing AI-driven API models in 2025 underscores the critical phases, budgetary considerations, and strategic imperatives necessary for organizations to thrive in a competitive landscape. Embracing AI is not just about technology adoption, it's about transforming organizational culture and enhancing customer experiences through personalized, efficient, and ethical AI applications. By following this structured approach, organizations can position themselves as leaders in the evolving digital economy. The content provided discusses the implementation of AI-driven API models in 2025, detailing a structured approach to integrating these technologies across various platforms. Here are some counterintuitive insights and observations derived from the text. 1. Customer centricity versus profitability. It's noted that while companies that excel in customer experience can be 60% more profitable, only 8% of North American businesses report satisfaction with their customer performance. This disparity suggests that numerous businesses are not leveraging technology to enhance customer experience effectively, despite the clear financial benefits. 2. Budget allocation realities. The suggested budget of $3 million for AI implementation is divided into planning 15 to 20%, implementation 50 to 60%, and optimization 20 to 35%. The counterintuitive aspect here is that a significant portion of the budget, up to 60%, is allocated to implementation, which might imply that businesses underestimate the importance and potential costs of planning and optimization phases. Many might believe that the bulk of expenses will come from technology deployment rather than the foundational strategies needed for successful implementation. 3. Integration as cultural transformation. The integration of AI-driven models is framed as not merely a technological shift but a cultural transformation within organizations. The assumption might be that adopting new technology is a straightforward process, yet this indicates a deeper need for change management training, and realignment of organizational values around customer centricity. 4. The role of edge computing. The text emphasizes the significance of edge-based business intelligence (BI) as a method of decentralizing data processing which allows for real-time analytics. The counterintuitive insight here is that while centralization in data processing has been the norm for efficiency, moving towards decentralization can actually enhance responsiveness and personalization, particularly in industries that rely heavily on immediate data-driven decision-making. 5. AI in diverse sectors. The mention of various sectors, retail, healthcare, logistics, and their adoption of AI technologies suggests that while certain industries may lead in AI adoption like tech, others lag significantly. The counterintuitive realization is that sectors often perceived as traditional or less tech-centric like agriculture or healthcare can leverage AI for transformative impacts. Yet many remain hesitant or slow to adopt these innovations despite clear use cases demonstrating their benefits. 6. Ethical AI and privacy concerns. The focus on ethical AI practices and privacy considerations reflects an understanding that while AI can enhance efficiency and customer engagement, it also introduces significant ethical dilemmas. The paradox lies in the fact that companies often prioritize rapid technological advancement and market competitiveness over ethical considerations, potentially leading to public backlash and regulatory scrutiny. 7. Human element in AI adoption. The content highlights the importance of human capital in the successful implementation of AI technologies. The counterintuitive aspect is that despite the perception of AI as a technology-driven domain, the success of AI initiatives heavily relies on human skills training and cultural readiness within organizations. Companies might invest heavily in technology but neglect the need for training and upskilling their workforce to effectively utilize these tools. 8. AI's role in crisis management. The discussion about AI's application in healthcare, particularly in improving patient monitoring and reducing emergency situations, reveals a counterintuitive perspective where technology serves not just efficiency but also critical intervention capabilities. Businesses might not fully recognize AI's potential to alleviate pressures in crisis scenarios such as those seen during healthcare emergencies or logistical challenges. 9. Real-time analytics versus traditional methods. The emphasis on real-time data processing and analytics through edge-based BI contrasts sharply with traditional centralized approaches, suggesting that businesses might be resistant to changing established practices despite evidence of improved outcomes. The counterintuitive realization is that sticking to old models of data processing may hinder adaptability and responsiveness in fast-paced markets. 10. Long-term investment versus immediate ROI. The proposal of investing significant resources into AI technologies while promising long-term benefits may conflict with the prevalent business mentality of seeking immediate returns on investments. The challenge here is that organizations may be reluctant to commit to extensive AI initiatives without short-term payoffs, even when data suggests that early investment in AI can lead to substantial long-term profitability. In summary, the insights derived from the content present a nuanced view of AI implementation, highlighting the complexities and often counterintuitive realities that businesses face in adopting these technologies, emphasizing cultural shifts, ethical considerations, and the importance of human capital. Illustrates that the journey towards AI-driven transformation extends beyond mere technological deployment. Important content in the report on AI-driven API models implementation in 2025. 1. Cultural transformation focus. One of the most significant yet often overlooked aspects of the report is the emphasis on the cultural transformation that accompanies the integration of AI-driven API models. While most readers may concentrate on the technical specifications or the budget allocations, the cultural shift toward customer centricity is paramount. Significance. This cultural change is essential for ensuring that the technology is not just implemented but effectively adopted within organizations. AI's capabilities should align with the evolving expectations of customers, who increasingly demand personalized experiences. Companies that successfully embrace this cultural shift are likely to see a 60% increase in profitability compared to those that do not. This statistic underscores the critical nature of focusing on customer experience as a driving force behind technological advancements. 2. Edge-based business intelligence. The report mentions the integration of edge-based business intelligence (BI) with AI, which is a trend that some stakeholders might underestimate. Edge-based BI allows organizations to process data closer to the source, enhancing real-time decision-making capabilities. Significance. This technology significantly reduces latency and bandwidth usage, enabling immediate insights that drive operational efficiency. Organizations that adopt this model can achieve predictive analytics capabilities that traditional centralized systems struggle to offer. The ability to leverage real-time data at the edge leads to more agile responses to market conditions, which is crucial in today's fast-paced business environment. 3. Data privacy and compliance considerations. The report outlines compliance with data privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA, but many may overlook the detailed implications of these regulations on AI implementations. The integration of privacy by design principles is not just a regulatory requirement but a competitive advantage. Significance. Companies that prioritize ethical AI deployment and data privacy will build stronger trust with their customers, which can lead to increased customer loyalty and brand reputation. The report highlights that 73% of customers consider data protection a vital factor in their purchasing decisions. Ignoring these considerations could result in costly legal penalties and damage to brand integrity. 4. Investment in human capital. The report allocates a portion of the $3 million budget for staff training and development. While it may seem standard, the specific investment in human capital to support the transition to an AI-driven environment is crucial. Significance. As AI technologies evolve, the need for skilled personnel who can navigate these changes becomes critical. Organizations that invest in training programs for their employees will likely see better returns on their AI investments. This proactive approach not only enhances operational capabilities but also fosters a culture of innovation where employees feel empowered to leverage new technologies effectively. 5. Optimization and continuous feedback loops. The focus on the optimization phase months 10 to 18 stresses the importance of continuous performance monitoring and feedback integration. While many organizations may rush through initial implementations, the report emphasizes the necessity of refining strategies based on real-world results. Significance. This iterative approach to optimization ensures that AI systems adapt to changing market conditions and evolving customer preferences. Organizations that establish robust feedback loops are more likely to enhance their competitive edge over time. This aspect of continuous improvement should be a central consideration for organizations looking to maximize the effectiveness of their AI investments. 6. Long-term vision beyond initial implementation. The report outlines a 5-phase implementation plan culminating in the maturity phase months 31 to 36. Where organizations focus on sustained innovation and regular updates of AI technologies. Significance. This long-term perspective is often neglected in favor of immediate results. Organizations that view AI implementation as an ongoing journey rather than a one-time project are better positioned to capitalize on new advancements and maintain a competitive advantage. This foresight is particularly relevant in fast-evolving sectors where adaptability is crucial for survival. 7. Use cases across diverse industries. Specific use cases presented in the report, such as personalized shopping experiences in retail and improved patient monitoring in healthcare, illustrate the practical applications of AI-driven API models. Significance. These examples provide tangible evidence of AI's transformative potential across various sectors. However, organizations may overlook the importance of customizing AI solutions to fit their unique operational needs. The ability to draw inspiration from successful implementations in other industries can spur innovation within a company, fostering a creative approach to problem solving. 8. Ethical AI deployment. The report touches upon ethical considerations in AI implementation, which is an area that can often be sidelined in favor of technical discussions. Significance. Organizations that prioritize ethical AI practices not only comply with regulations but also differentiate themselves in the marketplace. Building AI systems that are transparent, fair, and accountable can enhance customer trust and brand loyalty. This aspect is increasingly becoming a key factor in consumer decision-making, especially among socially conscious customers. 9. Role of AI in enhancing operational efficiency. The report highlights the potential for AI technologies to improve operational efficiencies significantly. Significance. By automating routine tasks and providing data-driven insights, AI allows employees to focus on higher-value activities. This shift can lead to a more engaged workforce and improved job satisfaction, ultimately contributing to higher productivity levels. Organizations should recognize the dual benefits of AI not only as a technological tool but also as an enabler of a more fulfilling workplace. 10. The importance of cross-functional collaboration. The report suggests that successful integration of AI requires collaboration across different departments within organizations. Significance. Cross-functional teams that include IT, marketing, operations, and customer service can ensure that AI initiatives align with overall business strategies. This holistic approach prevents silos and promotes a unified vision for AI adoption, which can lead to more comprehensive and successful implementations. Encouraging diverse perspectives can drive innovation and create more effective solutions. In summary, while the report provides a comprehensive overview of the implementation phases, budget allocations, and expected outcomes of AI-driven API models, the deeper implications of these elements, such as cultural transformation, ethical considerations, the importance of human capital, and cross-functional collaboration, are critical to achieving long-term success in AI integration. Organizations that recognize and prioritize these often overlooked aspects will be better equipped to navigate the complexities of AI adoption and maximize its benefits. 1. Implementation phases and strategic framework. The proposed 5-phase approach for the implementation of AI-driven API models in 2025 is critical. It begins with the foundation phase, which emphasizes the establishment of strategic goals and alignment among teams, setting the stage for subsequent phases. The implementation phase then focuses on deploying AI technologies and redesigning processes, which is essential for achieving operational efficiency and ensuring user engagement. The optimization phase allows for continuous feedback and performance monitoring, crucial for adapting to market needs. As the project scales in the scaling phase, the goal shifts towards embedding an AI-driven culture within the organization. Finally, the maturity phase focuses on sustained innovation and regular updates, allowing organizations to maintain a competitive edge. Analyzing these phases in depth can provide insights into best practices for successful AI integration. 2. Budget allocation and resource management. The proposed $3 million budget allocation provides a practical framework for organizations to manage their resources effectively. Dividing the budget into planning, implementation, and optimization phases allows for targeted spending that aligns with the strategic objectives of each phase. This financial strategy emphasizes the importance of initial assessments, 15 to 20% for planning, and substantial investment in technology deployment, 50 to 60% for implementation. Additionally, the allocation for optimization, 20 to 35%, underlines the need for ongoing adjustments and enhancements based on performance metrics. Understanding how organizations can effectively allocate their budgets to AI projects can lead to better financial management and improved return on investment. 3. Cultural transformation and customer centricity. The integration of AI-driven API models is not just about technical upgrades. It represents a significant cultural transformation within organizations. This shift towards customer centricity emphasizes the importance of personalized experiences, as 73% of customers prioritize tailored interactions. The potential for a 60% increase in profitability for companies that excel in customer experience highlights the financial impact of this cultural shift. Delving into the implications of these changes for employee engagement, customer satisfaction, and overall organizational performance can provide valuable lessons for companies navigating similar transformations. For use cases and industry applications, the identified use cases across various sectors, such as retail, healthcare, and logistics, demonstrate the practical applications of AI-driven API models. For instance, Nordstrom's implementation of AI for personalized shopping experiences led to an 18% increase in sales per square foot, while healthcare facilities using AI for patient monitoring achieved a 22% reduction in emergency situations. Analyzing these use cases can reveal how organizations leverage AI to solve specific challenges, enhance operational efficiency, and drive revenue growth. A detailed discussion on these applications can also highlight the potential for AI to innovate processes and create value across industries. 1. The rise of the Internet, 1990s to 2000s. The implementation of the Internet, particularly the World Wide Web, involved multiple phases including foundational development, widespread adoption, optimization for various uses, scaling through infrastructure improvements, and maturation with the advent of social media and mobile access. The initial investment in technology infrastructure and content creation was crucial to its eventual success. Much like the proposed $3 million budget allocation for AI-driven API models. 2. The launch of the iPhone 2007. Apple's introduction of the iPhone marked a significant shift in mobile technology and application development. The implementation followed a structured approach: foundational development of the device and operating system, a carefully planned rollout of apps through the App Store, optimization of user experience based on feedback, scaling of app offerings, and maturation of the ecosystem through ongoing updates and developer engagement. The initial investment in marketing and app development mirrored the budget allocation in AI integration. 3. The development of cloud computing, 2010s. The transition to cloud computing involved a clear implementation strategy, including foundational technology development such as virtualization, the initial deployment of services like SaaS, optimization for business needs, scaling of infrastructure to meet demand, and maturation as companies learn to leverage cloud capabilities for innovation. The budget considerations and strategic planning during this shift resonate with the proposed phases of AI-driven API model implementation. Future outlook: predictions for AI-driven API models in 2025. The implementation of AI-driven API models has the potential to significantly alter the technological landscape across various sectors by 2025. This outlook discusses anticipated developments, strategic phases of implementation, budget considerations, and the resulting transformations that organizations can expect. Key predictions for AI-driven API models by 2025. 1. Widespread adoption of AI-driven solutions. By 2025, it is expected that businesses across sectors such as retail, healthcare, finance, and manufacturing will have fully integrated AI-driven API models into their operations. Companies that adopt these technologies early will likely experience a competitive edge, with projections suggesting that early adopters could see profitability improvements of up to 60% compared to their slower counterparts. 2. Enhanced customer-centric experiences. As organizations leverage AI to analyze customer data and preferences, hyper-personalization will become the standard. By utilizing AI-driven APIs for real-time data processing, businesses will be able to deliver tailored experiences, leading to increased customer satisfaction. In retail, for example, personalized recommendations will be based on individual shopping behavior, with companies like Nordstrom already reporting an 18% increase in sales due to such implementations. 3. Operational efficiency and cost reduction. The efficiency gains from AI-driven models will allow organizations to streamline operations and reduce costs significantly. Companies implementing AI for tasks such as inventory management, predictive maintenance, and customer service automation are projected to reduce their operational costs by over 20%. For instance, Hospitals employing AI for patient monitoring have already observed a 22% reduction in emergency situations. 4. Regulatory and ethical frameworks. With the growing reliance on AI-driven models, regulatory bodies are expected to establish clearer guidelines regarding the ethical use of AI. As privacy concerns become paramount, organizations will need to adopt transparent data practices ensuring compliance with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. This will necessitate investments in robust privacy management systems, with companies expected to allocate 10 to 15% of their AI budgets for compliance-related initiatives. 5. Continual innovation and technological advancements. The technological landscape is likely to witness rapid advancements, particularly in areas like edge-based business intelligence (BI) and multimodal AI applications. AI models capable of integrating various data types, text, image, audio, will provide richer insights and more dynamic user experiences. This trend will drive the need for continuous updates and innovation cycles, with organizations focusing on sustained AI development as a core strategic element. Implementation roadmap, 5 key phases. The implementation of AI-driven API models will generally follow 5 phases, each critical for the success of the initiative. 1. Foundation phase, months 1 to 3. Define strategic goals and assess current technology infrastructure. Align teams and establish initial training programs to prepare for upcoming changes. 2. Implementation phase, months 4 to 9. Deploy AI technologies and start pilot programs to evaluate functionality. Redesign internal processes to incorporate AI-driven workflows, focusing on real-time data integration. 3. Optimization phase, months 10 to 18. Monitor performance metrics and gather feedback to refine strategies. Prioritize continuous improvement initiatives based on market trends and user input. 4. Scaling phase, months 19 to 30. Expand successful AI initiatives across all relevant platforms, ensuring comprehensive integration. Foster a culture of AI-driven decision-making within the organization. 5. Maturity phase, months 31 to 36. Focus on long-term innovation strategies and regular updates to AI technologies. Prepare to address emerging challenges and maintain a competitive advantage through ongoing research and development. Budget allocation for implementation. A proposed budget of $3 million for the implementation of AI-driven API models will be allocated strategically across the phases. Planning 15 to 20%. This will cover initial assessments, strategic goal setting, and team alignment. Implementation 50 to 60%. The majority of the budget will be directed toward technology deployment, staff training, and pilot program execution. Optimization 20 to 35%. Funds will be allocated for refining processes based on feedback and scaling successful initiatives. Conclusion: a transformative future awaits. The implementation of AI-driven API models by 2025 will not only enhance organizational efficiency and customer engagement, but will also lead to a cultural transformation within businesses. Companies that proactively integrate these technologies and prioritize ethical considerations will position themselves as leaders in the rapidly evolving technological landscape. As the AI-driven revolution unfolds, organizations must remain agile, embracing continuous innovation while navigating regulatory frameworks and ensuring customer trust. The future powered by AI promises to redefine operational norms and set new standards for business success.